Hey you guys, welcome back to the new channel. And listen, happy Vlogmas day 4. Anyhow, it's Vlogmas day 4. I just uploaded Vlogmas day 3. Y'all need to go and watch that video. And this morning I got up and I was really exhausted because last night I was up late. My mom spent the night over here for 2 days, so we were like chilling, hanging out, whatever. And there's just a lot of stuff I had to take care of today, and I hate when I have so much to do because sometimes I just get caught up in fun sometimes, and I'd be like, oh, I'll do it tomorrow. And today I was on a mission. Anyway, so while I was outside, I stopped at one of my favorite stores again. What store is this? Trader Joe's. And I got a couple of goodies that I want to show you guys. So the last time I went to Trader Joe's, I didn't really get to show y'all what I really like to pick up because they had all the meats and stuff blocked off. So this is something that I really enjoy. I eat it a lot. Green onion pancake. It's so good. I got 2 of them. Me and my husband usually buy like 5, 6 packs of them. But I was by myself today with my mom, so I actually also got some fresh Atlantic salmon. And when I tell you, it's so fresh and it's so it tastes so good. You can make it a lot of different ways. I usually make mine on top of the stove with a little bit of olive oil, some honey, some paprika, a little black pepper. And listen, let that thing cook up. It is. These are the fresh and delicious, the grapes that I told you guys about the last time. They are so delicious. They just have this, me and royalty. So juicy. And with the onion pancake, you can do a lot of things. You can actually make a sandwich with those. I usually eat tuna fish. I have a short video of what I did with the onion pancakes with the tuna fish. Go watch it. I got some classic soft and slightly sweet hamburger buns because tonight we are making some burgers. Got some iceberg lettuce. Got some navel oranges. I usually like, when I give royalty a dinner, I usually like to give her fruits on the side. A tomato. A red onion. And I didn't feel like adding the meat myself to make the burgers, so I bought some meat. This is beef and Trader Joe's. It tastes so good and it's so fresh. Ground beef patties, 80% lean, 20% fat. Excuse me, y'all. So I can't wait. And I cannot stand buying meat from the supermarket because every time I buy meat from my local supermarket, the meat be like red. It look fresh on the outside, and when I get home and open it, it's like grayish. It's so disgusting. What else is going on today besides the rent? I have to do I have to wash my hair again because I washed my hair and I slept on it wet, as I said before, and it like got matted, and I don't know why. And I don't have a perm. My hair is very natural, so I don't know. Ugh. Last night I tried to blow dry it and it was hurting, and I was like, oh God, I'm gonna have to like wet my hair all over again and then blow dry it from there. And so that's about it. I have to do some I have to start doing some Christmas shopping. I haven't did any Christmas shopping at all. Well, no, I'm lying. Yes, I did. I got my husband's gift already. So, yeah, I can't I wish I could tell you guys. I wish I could tell y'all. But I got my husband something already. So now it's just royalty. She's into barbs, LOL, slime, makeup, beauty, anything that has to do with pink, glitter. It's her thing. So that's gonna be really easy. I got a couple of things in my Amazon cart. And also my son, he wants art supplies. Like, he wants more sketchbooks, pens. So they're really I'm gonna say simple. That's a blessing, thank God, because I know some kids got on their Christmas list. I want some Balenciaga sneakers, I want a Fendi sweatsuit, I want, no, and I mean that could be on their list, but that don't mean you're gonna get it. So see you in a few. Get out.
Oh, that's the salad.
Yummy.
Oh,
This is what me and royalty sandwich is looking like. All we gotta do is put our French fries. We good to go. All right, you guys. That is a wrap. Tomorrow, I will probably take y'all with me to go do my eyebrows. I need to do my eyebrows. My husband keeps talking about, let him use the clippers so he can do my eyebrows. I don't know about all this. I don't know about all of that. But I'm definitely going to try and go do my eyebrows tomorrow.
Mommy,
and
tell them about my birthday party.
Royce's birthday is February 6th.
And tell them
and she wants a spa party, so.
Yeah, I guess where we're going. Where we going again?
You said guess where we going, so you must know
Rainbows.
something. Rainbows? What's that?
You said rainbows yesterday.
I don't know what you're talking about. It's a spa place in Jersey, but
Yeah, we're gonna go, and Hanifa and I and Sarah gonna go there. Only girls, not boys.
only girls, no boys. Yes, that's what. High five. Okay, so I'm
Guys.
closing out this video. Oh, this Vlogmas thing got me going
Guys,
in circles.
I'm about to turn 5.
But I committed to it, so I gotta do it.
Bye, guys.
Anywho, enjoy the rest of your evening. This is in real time. I love you, new family, all the new followers. Listen, make sure you like, share, subscribe. Tell a sister, join the new family. And make sure you tap that notification bell because when I post, that's when you're going to get it. You could tap in, you could pull up and see what I'm talking about. See what's going on this side. So I'm going to let you guys go and happy Vlogmas Day. And remember, this is Vlogmas Day 4.